subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest updates.
Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class we'll try to solve these two gate bits, and these bits were asked in gate 2001 and this bit was asked in gate 2015, and these bits were asked for 2 marks. And coming to our bit, and every concept which is related to these bits were clearly described in our previous videos. We have covered nearly 25 to 30 videos on number system. We have taken 4 basic number systems and we have covered those concepts in 25 to 30 videos. Hope you have watched those videos, and if you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos and come back here. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist, and in order to get better insights of the concepts, please watch the entire course or the playlist, and the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Now coming to this bit, the 2's complement representation of minus 539 base 10 in hexadecimal is, so we have to find this decimal number, 2's complement of this decimal number, and for the 2's complement we have to find the hexadecimal representation. So this is very important to understand. So this is 531, we have to convert it into binary, and that binary number has to be converted into 2's complement, and for the 2's complement number we have to find the hexadecimal representation. So coming to this, how to convert a decimal number to binary number? Decimal number to binary number, it is we have to divide this number into 2 until the quotient is 0, divided it by 2 until the quotient is 0. It is 2 6 okay 2 6 9, remainder is 1, 2 1 3 4, remainder is 1, it is 6 7, remainder is 0, and again 2, it is 3 and 3, remainder is 1, again 2, it is 16, remainder is 1, again 2 8, remainder is 0, 2 4, remainder is 0, 2 2, remainder is 0, 2 1, remainder is 0, again with 2 it is 0 1. So how to find the binary? It is bottom to top. Binary representation, it is 1 1 2 3 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4 zeros, and again 1 1 1 0 1 1. So this is the binary representation of 531, and now we have to find the 2's complement of this number. First we will try to convert it into equivalent 4 number bits. It is okay, it is 0 0. Because we have to convert it into decimal number, we have taken these 2 zeros, extra zeros, and now we have to convert this into what we call it as 2's complement representation. So how to convert this into 2's complement representation? Short form. We have to search for the first one. Until then we have to take the values as it is, and from later on we have to complement every bit. Okay, 1 1 0 1 1. So this is the 2's complement representation of this number. Now this number has to be converted into hexadecimal. So these 4 bits are represented by 5 in hexadecimal, and 1110 means it is 13. 1110 means 14 in hexadecimal. 14 is represented as E, and 1101 means it is 13. 13 is represented by D. So the answer is DE5. Right option is C. Similarly, coming to this bit, these kind of bits we have already seen in our 1 mark question, but it is different from that question. So what they are asking is what are the possible solutions. What are the possible solutions? X and Y are unknown. What are the possible solutions? What are the possible values that can be assigned for X and Y? They are asking for. First, what we have said there, in those bits we have said that first we have to find the decimal, we have to convert both these two values into decimal numbers. So given the base is X, so the decimal number is x power 1, 4 into x power 1 plus 3 into x power 0 is equal to y into 8 power 1 plus 3 into 8 power 0. Okay, y into 8 power 1 plus 3 into 8 power 0. Now converting this, what we are going to get is 4x plus 3 is equal to 8y plus 3, 8y plus 3. So how to do the changes? It is 6 4x is equal to 8y. So these and this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. Similarly, it is x is equal to 2y. X is equal to 2y is this equation will get converted into this. Now the second step is we have to check for the conditions. So based upon the equation, what is the equation given? It is 4 3 base x is equal to y3 base 8. So from this equation, what are the conditions that we are going to get is, the conditions that we are going to get is x is greater than or equal to 5. So the base of the number is should be the base of the number should be greater than these two numbers. So from this we can know that the value of x can be greater than or equal to 5. It is one condition. And the next condition is the value of x is less than or equal to 7. See here, the base, the symbols in the number system should never be equal to or greater than the base. So based upon that we can say that y should be less than or equal to 7. Now what we have to do is we have to take the value of x and value of y, and the result that we are going to get from this equation is going to satisfy, has to be satisfied these conditions. Now take the value of y as 1. If you take the value of y as 1, the value of x is 2. Similarly, take the value of y value should be less than or equal to 7. So we will take these values up to 7. So after 8, if you take after 7, 8 if you take, so it is of no use because this condition will fail. Okay, now 2 is equal to y is equal to 2 means x is equal to 4, 3 means 6, 4 means 8, 5 means 10, 6 means 12, 7 means 14. So these are the y values and its corresponding x value. Now we have to check for the condition. The value of x should be greater than or equal to 5. Is it true? No, it is not true. So this entire condition, this is not the possibility. Okay, both these conditions should satisfy. This condition is getting satisfied. So y is less than or equal to 1, it is getting satisfied for all the values. So the only one we have to check for is it is x greater than or equal to 5. Is it greater than or equal to 5? No. Is it greater than or equal to 5? Yes. So this is also false. Is it greater than or equal to 5? Yes, it is greater than. Is it this everything is greater than or equal to, and from here on both the conditions will get satisfied. So how many possible number of solutions, how many solutions are possible? 1 2 3 4 5. So the answer is 5. Okay, so these are the gate bits. These questions are asked for 2 marks question. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding these bits, please post your doubt in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.